Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, so we're back with a new video. So today we'll be doing an A6 Luxe setup in this Moterm planner, Litchi black. So this is my recent purchase. We also have the A7 Luxe, or also called Pocket, in black croc setup, and a flip through in my previous videos. You can watch that. So here is the black Litchi planner. So here you see the open A6 Luxe planner. So this is 30mm rings. The rings did come a little bit gapped, but that's fine. I kind of fixed it for now, and hopefully when I do buy the new Moterm planner in like the A6 Luxe or the A7 in a different color, then they'll be including a extra A6 ring. So here is a acetate of our freebie. So we have a November freebie out for my shop, Your Paper and Line Co. We do have freebies every single month. Sometimes I do come out with more than once a month, depends if I'm busy or not. But here you can also print this freebie on acetate paper, cardstock, whatever you want. But first I have to put these journaling cards first on the pockets. So first journaling card is Happiness, which is from Poi Hun. I also have two unboxing from Poi Hun. You can watch that in the previous videos. And here we have some freebies also for November, which should be coming out soon, or it's already came out by the time this video comes out. But we have a couple of freebie journaling cards. So I did print them on acetate because I thought it was really pretty, something about it. So we have I Am a Strong card, I'm a quote of the day card, and also like a more motivational quotes for you. So I'm just gonna put that on the side. I did love how I sticked out a little bit. So these sizes are like 3.25 inches by 2 inches, so a little bit smaller than business card sizes, but it was a perfect size to fit in this planner. So I do not keep anything in the zipper pocket or the back secretarial flap, and that's all. So now I'm just gonna go back putting in the acetate. As I said earlier, you can put in whatever you want, but this is how I want it. I'm kind of going for a more minimal look now, but I do add some dashboards and stickers here and there depending how I like it. So here's a fly leaf for my pocket. I did take out the fly leaf and then put it back in and then take it back out, so I decided to keep the A6 one in here. So now we'll be adding the Stop and Breathe acetate. You can also print this on vellum and other covers, cardstock and stuff like that. And then we have our Inhale and Exhale freebie. So the previous one, Stop and Breathe, is a freebie. The Exhale and Inhale is also a freebie. This is a free freebies from Courtney. I'll put her link down below. I have these ones, but I'm probably gonna take out these inserts since it's not Halloween anymore. But yeah, I'll keep one, keep not. I'm not gonna keep the acetate one because that's Halloweenish. So I'm gonna keep that other dashboard. And now we have our divider monthly. So this is, I did have like corners with our curved or rounded corners, but now I like the squared look, so I decided the squared corners for all my dividers currently, except for my half letter and mini HP. And then we have our dashboard. This is also on my store. We have currently we only have pocket size available, but I will slowly add the sizes depending if I have time to add other sizing. But for now we have just pocket size for those dashboards. And then we are onto our this month's tab. So this one helps me guide where the month is. So I'll show you guys some of the monthly inserts we have. Currently in the store for A6, we have the month on 1 page. We also have a month on 2 pages, but currently I am using the 1 month on a page. We also have this monthly plan. One is different from the previous one I showed you. And of course, as I said earlier, we have a month on 2 page. Depends on how your scheduling is like. So as always, we have a few more Courtney freebies. So this is a really cute coffee reminder freebie. So I'm using that as a cover page before weekly. And then we have this dashboard that I curated, which is also available on my Etsy shop, but not A6 size. We do have it, but we don't have the listing for it yet. So for weeklies, I have also the square tab. So for weeklies, I'm gonna add a few dashboards, and we have our title dashboard weekly, and then we have a cozy dashboard from Courtney again. I'll leave her link down below. And now we're onto our weekly inserts. Here we have a week on 1 page. I love my weeks on one pages, and I do sometimes use week on two page depending on the week, but usually it's a week on one page because currently there's not much things to do except for work and work from home. And then we have our this week's top divider, and then we have more inserts. You can find these inserts on my Etsy shop. So we have this floral dashboard, which is one of the set for our abstract floral dashboards. Every week I do switch back and forth to different inserts because I do like different types and kinds and looks of inserts. I do not use the same one every single week. And now we have our daily divider. These tab dividers labels are from like the label maker. We have our daily dashboards, and then we have some daily inserts that we have created also available on my Etsy. We have the lovely day top bottom divider, and we have our inserts here. As you can see, we have a bunch of different kind of inserts because I do like different kinds of inserts, and I do like to create different kinds. So now currently in my store, I'm trying to update all the current inserts to have Sunday start also. So right now I usually do Monday start since this is how I use my inserts, but now I'm also including Sunday starts in my all the newer inserts. So we have our last tab, which is the miscellaneous tab, and then we have our title divider, miscellaneous, and then our wake up kick ass repeat November freebie. As always, you can find the links down below in the links in the description. And then we have another freebie from Courtney, but I decided to print on acetate because who doesn't like to print on acetate, right? And then we have some notes for the notes section. So we have a bottom tab for the notes, which is called Write It Down, and then we have our notes inserts. These notes inserts are just simple notes insert that I curated for myself only. I did not have it on sale. I don't think I would put this notes on sale anyways. So here it is. It's pretty simple. My planner is very, very simple now these days. I don't really put much in it except for monthly, weeklies, sometimes dailies, and miscellaneous. And depending on what I use it for, it'll be different. And then we have some Courtney freebies as always, and the page divider that Moterm provided, but then it was a personal size one, but I still punched it and it fits pretty well. So that's all we have for this setup. Pretty simple and clean, mostly black and white and gray, which I enjoy, and some little dashboard with color. So here it is. Hope you guys enjoy this setup. I'll see you guys next week. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.